A good friend today asked me if I could make a custom piece for him. And I said, well, I'm sure we'll give it a shot. So I just spent the last couple hours cutting up a bunch of pieces here. And let's see how this is gonna come together. The first thing I'm gonna do is take this little piece of 1/2-inch copper tubing and put it in the vise. And I'm gonna I want to make it oval. I just want to make it like the shape of a kind of like a Bic lighter, like that. Okay, I'm gonna take this flat piece of copper. I put a little bit of solder on there, flatten it out. I'm gonna dip this in the flux and get some nice and fluxed on there. I'm gonna stand this up on top of the piece of copper. Okay, I got this wedged up on a couple of coins, or else if you have it down in this vise here, it won't get hot enough to melt that solder. Okay, we do the same to the other end. So we're just gonna seal this baby up, little tube. Heat that up until the solder flows. There we go. We'll get a little bubble there. Let's out the gases. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna trim off all this excess and make it complete the same shape all the way around. I'll get that all filed down and come back. So now we end up with a little oval shape like this tube. Probably could use it, clean it up a little more. I'm going to clean it up a little more, but you get the idea. And then I'll come back when the next step is going to happen. Okay, next what I did was I drilled some holes, top, bottom, one on each side. And I'll come back with the next step. Okay, what I did was solder two pieces of copper tube to here, and a couple of pieces of copper wire inside those holes that I drilled. Okay, so I welded those on, I soldered those on now, and then I've soldered this on there. Soldered these arms, the neck, the collar, and the neck. Okay, so I soldered that in there. He's doing a little bit of a headstand there. I'll let that cool. Okay, I made a little hand. I'm gonna make the next hand. Let me get that in the chuck there now, in the vise. Okay, now there's the other hand. Okay. There's one arm and a hand on. Okay, both hands are on. His nose. Kind of get some eyes there. Okay. So there he is. Only one thing left to do for her. Because I'm not going to be that guy. We'll come back, do that together. I figured I'd do this part on camera. Just to be funny. I'm going to give the Tin Man his hat. Oh, alright, sorry about that. Stupid thing fell on the floor. I made that hot out of the center of a $50. So Mr. Doughboy never did give nothing to the Tin Man that he didn't already have. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Alright. I couldn't stop. What's a Tin Man without his axe? So I soldered some dimes together, and I got a little piece of walnut here. I'll make this axe up, okay? Get that far. And then clamp it and hoist the other way. Start shaping the handle. Okay, so there's the woodsman axe. I made that out of some dimes. Okay. The Tin Man has to have an oil can too, right? Now he's complete. Got his oil can. Got his woodsman axe.